ELGi is creating a double impact at Middle East this time. We were at Adipac yesterday where they have offering a lot of sustainable compressed air solution, and today at Gulfood Manufacturing we are at ELGi compressor stall where they are offering high performance compressed air solutions.
We have been, as a company, very strong in this segment because food, as well as the processing of the food, along with the packaging, because the food without a proper packaging gets spoiled, so the shelf life is extremely critical. And these industries work almost 24/7. So it's end of the day, what's most critical in this is a good service, affordability in terms of pricing, and after sales where the team can reach them 24/7.
ELGi is proud to showcase our flagship PMSM series in Gulfood. PMSM stands for Permanent Magnet Synchronous Motor. The range is available from 11 kilowatt to 45. Of course, we are showcasing our EG45 compressor here. This has unmatched reliability and efficiencies even at 100% loading conditions. Of the IE5 motor, which gives about 96 to 97% efficiency, makes it a win-win situation for the customer. So with this compressor, we are sure that we can use this for a variety of food and beverage and the packaging industries. ELGi, always better.
From ELGi side, what we committed and what we provide to the market is an extremely good after sales. So even if you need us on a Christmas Eve or a New Year Eve, you can find an ELGi engineer always in any part of Africa and Middle East. And our team works hard to ensure that the bread reaches your table always on time. So whether it's your coffee or your tea or your meat or everything, you will always find an ELGi in all these parts of Africa and Middle East.